Welcome to IC Markets. In this video, we will walk you through on how to get your account verified. Uploading is easy. Simply log into your secure client area. Select Profile, Upload Document. To help us get your trading account approved as quickly as possible, we'll need you to provide us with a valid form of identification and a proof of residence. Acceptable forms of ID are a valid national ID card, international passport, or driving license. A proof of residence can be a utility bill or bank statement that shows your full name and address and is dated within the last 3 months. We can't accept any expired documents, P.O. box addresses, unclear copies, or those that do not show the entire document. Once we have received them, our team will verify them within 1 business day. Please check your emails as we'll let you know once the account is ready for trading. For further information, please visit our website or contact our support team.